Hi, I'm Anushri. Welcome to my home. As you can see, my house has not been curated by an interior designer. It's a totally DIY kind of a home. Over a period of time, we have lived in certain places, we have traveled to certain places, and whatever we like, we have collected. We are not into very soft hues. We like to add lot of colors, vibrancy, lot of flash in our lifestyles. So that's what my house reflects. I don't believe in going to a very flashy store and picking up home decor. If I'm walking on the streets, I like something, I feel it will blend with my decor, I just pick it up and keep it at my residence, and that's what my home has become over a period of time. Like you can see this cabinet here, it has not been brought from a very fancy store. It's a very roadside store from where I liked this cabinet, I picked it up and I thought it will blend well with my decor. As you can see here, it's a very simple setup that I have made. This is a Madhubani painting which I got as a gift. A gift was also for my creativity, and the platter that you here see, this belonged to my Dadi Saas. So rather than throwing it away, I collected these items with me and I have used them as a decor in my house. This table that you can see here is in two pieces. This is also an antique piece. It belonged to my Dadi, and when I shuffled through her house, I thought it will blend well with my culture, my decor. So I made a corner with this table here also. This is my bar area, come my dining area, and because there is too much happening this side, so we made sure that this side we'll keep it very simple and clean. To surprise everybody, this is a house of non-alcoholics, but we have friends and family who enjoy their drinks, and because we spend time with them, so we made sure we had a comfortable place for our friends and relatives. And here also, whatever we have accumulated, again through our travels, through the places where we have stayed, it all reflects our personalities. This is a very simple game of Ludo, but it attracts a lot of attention to all the people who visit our home because the way it has been made, and it's a very beautiful handmade piece. And to everybody's surprise, I had picked it up from the Surajkund Mela from a very simple lady sitting on the floor and waiting for her sales to happen. As I had mentioned earlier, that there is too much happening in the bar and we have a common place, bar and dining space, so I made sure that my dining space is very sleek and simple. The only pieces that I want to highlight here are the jharokas, which I have picked up from my travels to Rajasthan and my stays also. So every time I was staying in a city in Rajasthan, each piece reflects my 4 cities where I have stayed in the state of Rajasthan. So these are again chairs from a place called Kishangarh, Rajasthan. These are hand painted chairs, and I am the 3rd generation who is in possession of these chairs. They have been passed down the generation, and my mum had them, and as she knew that I am into home decor, creativity, so she made sure that she passed on these chairs to me and I could take care of them, and again the next generation I could hand them over to. This is like a family room over here where we sit, talk, converse, gossip, and as you can see, it has a lot of bold colors here, red, yellow, and to complement that, we have a lot of intricates, tiny artifacts that we have collected over a period of time. Some of them are memories from our trips, some of them are gifts. Like you can see here, I've got 3 Eiffel Towers. Surprisingly, I have never been to Paris, but they have all come as a gift. And then I have these lovely little lampshades which again are very indigenously bought from Uttar Pradesh, and they always stand out as a masterpiece of my house wherever I have stayed. We have these wall plates on the wall, which again have not been bought together. They have been all independently bought and we have placed them together. As you must have already noticed that red is my color. Everywhere here and there you can see flashes of red. So this is again a very beautiful piece that I have, which I picked up from a handicraft exhibition. It's like a window, but then it works as a keychain holder or your keys holder. And then it is blent with this piece of mine, wherein I have a mirror with this particular console. This is my formal living sit out, and here again I have created certain corners. As you can see, this particular corner here is again an accumulation of pieces over a period of time, which I have clubbed together and made this corner. Starting from the top, again you can see these are all travel mementos that we have picked up or we have been gifted. And as you come down, you can see the love for animals, and you can see various kind of animals here. And one particular piece I would like you to show here, which is this pair of camels. The back side of the camel opens like this, and it has names of my 2 pets in Arabic. While my daughter was traveling to Qatar, she got this as a gift for me, but she named my pets inside them. I always like to have fresh flowers in my house. Anytime anybody who can walk in will always find some bit of fresh flower corner in my house. So this is again a very Indian kind of a fresh flower setup, wherein we change this every 3-4 days, and we have kept the basic decor very light here so that we can flash the colors in the flowers to pop this room up. So here we always have a floating arrangement, standing arrangement, and this again, this partition here is again a hand painted piece which I have picked up from Rajasthan. Thank you for watching the home tour, and for more such content please subscribe to LBB's Homely newsletter. Thank you.